Let's talk about two of the biggest, most profound transformations happening in the 21st century. On one hand, you have the explosive growth of artificial intelligence, and on the other, you have our planet's escalating environmental crisis. So you've got this planet in distress, and a technology with what seems like almost limitless potential. And it really begs the question, doesn't it? Can one of these things help solve the other? That's what we're here to figure out, how these two powerful forces are intersecting in ways that, well, might just save us. Okay, let's dive right in. The big question on the slide says it all. Can AI become a true, intelligent ally for our planet? We're about to see how it's already becoming an absolutely essential tool for environmental stewardship. First things first, you can't fix what you can't measure. I mean, that's just fundamental, right? The foundation for any solution is good data. And this is where AI's impact is, well, it's just staggering. It's giving us the ability to monitor our planet's health with a precision we've literally never had before. So where does it all begin? Well, it starts with machine learning's amazing ability to pull together just massive amounts of data. I want you to imagine this: information from satellites high above us, from drones flying over fields, and from sensors on the ground, all woven together to create a single clear picture of our ecosystems. And it's not just about seeing what's happening right now. Sophisticated AI models, like the ones being cooked up at DeepMind, are using deep learning to simulate incredibly complex atmospheric dynamics. This is dramatically, and I mean dramatically, improving our ability to forecast weather and the long-term impacts of climate change. And this isn't all just happening way up in the atmosphere. It brings monitoring right down to our own backyards. Smart devices are constantly analyzing air, water, and soil quality. AI platforms then crunch all that data instantly to flag things like pollution hotspots and help shape policy in real time. So we have all this incredible data, but data alone is just a diagnosis, right? The real magic happens when we move to the next step: action. This is where AI stops being just an observer and becomes an active partner in managing our resources. For example, take agriculture, which is responsible for most of our global freshwater use. That's a huge deal. Now, AI-driven systems can predict exactly how much water a specific crop needs, optimizing irrigation to boost yields while saving enormous amounts of water and energy. And this thinking goes way beyond just water. We're moving from these broad, scattershot treatments to really targeted interventions. AI allows farmers to apply resources with, surgical accuracy. This minimizes chemical runoff and massively reduces their environmental footprint. AI is also absolutely crucial for our transition to clean energy. Think of it like a conductor for a really complex orchestra. It helps manage the dance of forecasting energy demand, making sure the grid is stable, and seamlessly integrating tricky renewable sources like solar and wind power. Yep, even our trash is getting a high-tech upgrade. AI-powered computer vision can literally see and identify different types of waste materials with incredible speed and precision. This is a game changer for improving recycling efficiency and cutting down on what goes into landfills. Okay, but maybe one of the most powerful things AI can do is look into the future. It's becoming this indispensable early warning system, giving us a crucial heads up for environmental crises before they strike. By sifting through mountains and mountains of historical and real-time data, AI models can spot those faint signals that come before a disaster. And look, this isn't just about a better weather report. It's about giving communities precious time to prepare, which, plain and simple, saves lives. And this prediction game isn't just for natural disasters. AI allows policymakers to run these super complex simulations. It's kind of like a flight simulator for environmental policy, letting them test the long-term consequences of their decisions before they're ever actually implemented. Pretty cool, huh? But, and this is a big but, as with any powerful technology, using AI for environmental good is not some magic bullet. We have to be really clear-eyed about the significant challenges that we need to address for this to be truly successful. The challenges here are huge, and they aren't just technical. They're economic, they're ethical, and they are political. Without very careful planning, these powerful tools could actually make inequality worse, compromise our privacy, and completely fail to address problems that cross national borders. So that's the big question, right? Where do we go from here? How do we move forward and realize the full potential of AI as a strategic partner in healing our planet, while actually managing all those risks? Well, a key part of the solution is making sure the cure isn't part of the disease. This concept of green AI is all about designing algorithms that are highly energy efficient, so the tech we're using to solve problems doesn't end up creating a bigger carbon footprint. And this takes it even a step further. Digital sustainability is about the bigger picture. It's making sure that all this technology is guided by ethical design, smart regulation, and, maybe most importantly, global teamwork to achieve our shared environmental goals. And look, this isn't just some theory or a far-off dream. It is already happening. Major organizations are paving the way with some incredible initiatives dedicated to applying AI to our planet's biggest environmental challenges. I love this because it puts it so perfectly. A new kind of dialogue is opening up between our most advanced technology and the planet itself. We're teaching machines to speak Earth's language, and that conversation could be absolutely fundamental to our future. So ultimately, AI is a powerful tool, an intelligent ally. But its impact, whether it's for good or for ill, that depends entirely on us. It is our collective responsibility to guide this new intelligence wisely, to maintain our planet's vital pulse for generations to come.